what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the face stretch filter on TikTok and how to use that filter. So to get this filter, go here. This is the effect gallery. Now I'm in trending. Slide here until you find funny. Tap on funny. Now slide up. Yep, until you see this. Remember this image, this is the filter. Tap on it and now you got the pointer. You can stretch your face now. Likewise, and if you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to Discover, and in Discover you can search for face stretch. Go to the hashtag, go to any of these videos. Now at the bottom left corner you will see the effect icon in yellow. Tap there and this is the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there, and from here also you can use this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.